Okay, good morning. It's September 3rd and we on the way home. Okay, so we got our train tickets and we're gonna ride the train back to the airport. It's like way hotter today. I mean, it's way nicer of a day, but it's hot. Not about it. And yeah, so we're gonna go home and, well, airport first. The lines are gonna be crazy because it's Labor Day. But whatever, we're still well in life and we're about to go home. How was your guys' travels?
I'm tired and it was hot,
Super tired, okay?
but it was awesome.
It was a good
It
time.
was cool. We love Chicago here. Finally made it to the airport after about a 30-minute bus train ride. Never been on a train, so that was dope. And yeah, and we thought we'd be late because it's Labor Day and we thought the security lines here at Midway, the airport in Chicago, would be bad. And they weren't. Now we have 2 hours and our flight's delayed.
We got to keep our shoes on.
So it'll probably be, and we got to keep our shoes on through security. But anyways, now we'll probably be here for 2 more hours. And I need to charge my laptop and I'm about to start editing these videos, so yep, keep you guys updated with our times. I'll take you to the candy shop. Ding, ding, ding.
You guys go eat, and then I'm gonna go down there and probably get a bag of candy. I might as well get the meat sweats on the plane.
You need to eat. He needs to eat. Oh, my cheeks are still red.
Yeah, you got sunburn or something.
I think I
Because
did.
you got windburn.
I got windburn.
That's why.
Wind.
Anyways, so our flight was supposed to leave at 3:15. It got delayed to 3:40. We were chilling. We were A-okay. Now it's 4:40. 5 o'clock. So, because you can't really tell, but it's dark over there. And there's thunder and there's lightning. So we're just living it up in Midway, Chicago. We might be staying the night in the airport.
No.
We might be going back to
No.
Hyde Park with Christian.
No.
Hope you're watching this, Christian.
Absolutely not. Absolutely
No.
not.
And we thought like we'd be able to like tide over our stomachs, like, you know, 3:15, we'd be able to make it. But we're starving now because we have 3 more hours here.
Seattle via Los Angeles. LA, then Seattle.
That's where we're going? No.
Hollywood.
No.
Rodeo.
No.
We don't got money for no rodeo.
We can't even step foot on rodeo.
Sure can.
Or even rodeo.
Sure can. Ellensburg, nope, not ready for you. Anyway, so yeah, just living it up. Keep you guys updated. It might be later because the storms are rolling in. So I finally get to try Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and here's the official taste test. Way better than Starbucks. Way better than what's around us. I don't know, Starbucks. I love coffee, and I really need it since we're gonna be here for forever. Okay, so it is now about 12 o'clock in the morning, September 4th, the day after Labor Day. Our flight got delayed till about 4 o'clock. It was 4:40, and then it was 4 o'clock. So we were like, cool, the time got moved back up again. We're closer to the time we were supposed to leave in the first place, so no big deal. Then the lady came on the intercom and was like, we have everything ready, except our pilots. And I think that's a pretty big deal to fly, if I don't say so myself. And I was like, wow, awesome. So they ended up finding 2 different pilots to fly our plane back 4 hours to Seattle. And we got on the plane, everything was kosher, and then some thunder and lightning clouds rolled into good old Chicago. And they were like, yeah, we'll be here on the runway for probably 45 more minutes. So 45 more minutes then rolled by, and we finally left Chicago. We got home at about 8:45, and we were supposed to get home at 5:30. So today has been a crazy day. I am now in bed and realized I didn't film an outro. So here was my little story time for you guys about the time the airport kept pushing our flight back. And I'm extremely tired, so I'm wrapped in this blanket. It's about 30 degrees colder here in good old Tacoma. So that's why I am completely covered in these blankets. And yeah, I will edit these videos probably tomorrow, and they'll be up whenever they're up. You'll be watching this when it's up, so have a good night!